Hello traders, and welcome back. Forex market analysis. We are looking at the Aussie Japanese yen as it seems to be breaking 91.60, which was our official trigger. I decided to jump right into it because some action seems to be taking place right now. Now we think this is a legit breakout. I mean, yesterday we've seen price action kind of settling down, bottoming out and turning around, right? And it actually managed to reach 91.60 yesterday. So yesterday was the first attempt to cross over, failed, right? 91.60 is a local resistance level. You know, it did manage to push against price action yesterday successfully. Right now price action is coming forward with some aggression. I think this is the real deal. However, we got in small, right? We kind of testing the waters, 15K right off the bat. We're looking at a move that it's relatively short, right? We're looking at 93.48 as the target. That's the next big resistance level inside of this system. And of course, we're trading at 92 right now. So we're looking at 150 pip to the target. Got in with 15K. When price action keeps pushing forward around 92.50, we'll hit the nail. We'll drop the hammer again, right? Gonna throw in another 15K and probably we'll carry on with 30K all the way to the target. But it's very important the price action will remain above 91.60 by the end of the day today. So it's not just reaching a certain height, a certain number as far as price tag, but also it's important that price action will be able to close the daily bar above 91.60. That will add a lot of confidence to our conviction, bullish conviction that is. Now, so yeah, price action will be trading sideways here in a pretty narrow range. That's easy. That's clear to see, right? That's easy to see. We decided to choose, in this case, also kind of a tight stop loss level. Usually we like to keep those a little bit looser, but in this case, we figured out that if price action is not going to make it above 91.60, and instead will begin to pull back down, right, and then even turn around, then we shouldn't be too far away, too far anyway, because that's going to be a strong indication that 91.60 is much more resilient than what we thought it was going to be, right? It's a strong statement that price action is probably heading for some more downside moves, possibly on its way to tag 89.92 at the bottom. And who knows, maybe even something more sinister than that, like a full-fledged downside breakdown. That's also, in the books, right? That's also a potential scenario. So at this point, guys, I mean, I just wanted to, raise the flag, right? This is the opportunity flag, as we call it. It's in the making. Still early stages of the day, obviously. We'll have to come back in a few hours. We're going to give price action just to roll on for 6, 7, 8 hours. We're going to come back later on and see where it's at. If it's keep drilling forward, that's going to be a good sign. We'll probably load up. If it backs away and begins to, base itself below 91.60, that's a problem, and we're going to look for the exit, unless, of course, we're going to be stopped out sooner. So whichever comes first, right? First comes, first served, as they say. That's about that. Aussie Japanese yen looking super interesting. Thought I was going to bring this forward, so here I just did. We're going to move on to the next video, guys, so we'll see you there. Cheers.